Hey everybody, Travis from the Knife Joker coming at you tonight with a product overview, just a quick view of the Reate Knives Mini Horizon-D. This version here is the milling handle. It's a Bead Blast titanium with the milled handle. And on all the Reate knives you do get titanium screws, titanium pivot, and titanium clip, and a titanium back spacer. Also included on this knife does have a steel lock bar interface to give it solid lockup, and also provides as an over travel stop. You can see that that's kind of hidden behind the lock bar there. Just see the screw holding it in. So this is a super smooth flipper riding on a ball bearing system. The Reate knife, you do get a hand ground blade. You can see that dramatic grind lines, and they're on the M390 steel. So these flip great, super smooth, opening and closing. That does have this nice little spot here to when it's open. You can just kind of set your thumb right there. There's the knife in hand, even though it's a Mini Horizon. These are about a 3.4 inch blade, so just a hair under a 3.5 inch blade. And making these a little lighter, you can see the milling inside the handle there. 4 cutouts on this one side, and even a cutout on the lock bar side there. The hand ground blade. There's the centering on this thing, just right in the middle. When you do get the Reate knife, you do get extra hardware with it. Cleaning cloth. Comes with the Reate Knives knife bag, and also a bigger zipper pouch to hold everything together. If you need any more information on these, you can check them out at theknifejoker.com. Thanks for joining me.